Hey Ma, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, we are back with another hair tutorial. Today's video will be sponsored by Amanda Hair, and as you guys can see, it is this gorgeous burgundy curly human hair wig. So if you want to see exactly how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So when you receive the hair, you're going to have a card that has all of Amanda's hair socials on it, as well as some goodies and even an opportunity to earn some cash back. So you're going to have some wig caps, a bonnet, also an edge brush that's also kind of tied into a rat tail comb. Here is the hair. It is a burgundy lace front wig. The color is 99J. It is curly human hair wig, HD transparent lace, 13x4 lace frontal, and it is pre-plucked as well. As you guys see, it does have the adjustable straps on it, and you can definitely tell how pre-plucked it is with this close-up here. And it's very bouncy, very full. It is 150% density, okay? So I did go ahead and bleach the knots per usual. This is how the lace looked after I bleached the knots. So as you guys can see, it took to the bleach very well. So just so you guys know, the type of curl pattern that this is, it is like a jerry curl. So they're pretty tight, but also kind of like loose at the same time. It's like a stringy type, if you could tell. But they're really pretty, by the way. And also the wig is 22 inches. So you guys already know how I do whenever it comes to the install. I did cut the lace into like 3 parts because being that this is a 13x4 lace frontal, it just makes it easier to install. That way you could do section by section. And as usual, I'm going in with my even adhesive spray. I go in twice, lay the lace down, secure it, I tie it down, and then I also do section off where I would normally like start the plucking area, spray it again, tie it down. I'm just letting you guys know ahead of time because there's really nothing to explain as far as in full detail, so I'm just let you guys watch and then I'm gonna come back. Alrighty, so after I remove the elastic band, I'm just gonna comb out the edges of the hair, mostly because the spray gets on it and it kind of gets stuck, and we don't want, like, you know, super sticky baby hairs. So I just normally just comb it out just to get rid of that. And now I'm just plucking the lace frontal, and as you guys can see, I'm not really doing too much. I'm going in with a light hand, mostly because the lace frontal was already pre-plucked. So yeah. Alright, so here I am looking crazy, but you guys will see that I pretty much just like comb it back and just make sure the lace is exactly how I want it. I think I did go back in on the left side one more time. I didn't show you guys that part, just to make it even with the other side. So yeah, I'm over here jamming. I don't even remember what I was listening to, but as long as the lace looks good to me, like, you know, it looks believable, it gives you that illusion that it is your scalp, then I'm good to go. So as you guys can see, I'm just checking that here, and then the next thing that I'm going to do is just section off where I want to cut for my baby hairs and get that done. And oh yeah, cut the lace as well. Alright, so you guys already know how I do if you watch my hair tutorials. So once I have that section off for my baby hairs, as far as like where I want to cut for my baby hairs, I go in with my wax stick and my hot comb, because this is what really helps to keep your lace in place, okay? So I'm going to do this on both sides. I'm also going to cut the baby hairs, and then I'm going to do a middle part and kind of just do the same thing as far as plucking and using the hot comb just to make sure it's laid correctly. Alright, so as you guys can see, the lace is looking really good. I haven't put my makeup on it yet, so that's the only reason why it looks lighter, so don't worry, we're gonna fix that. But as far as everything else, it looks really good. I'm just going in with the hot comb and the wax stick one more time just to make sure that, you know, it's just extra flat, looking extra natural and sleek. Then I'm just going to let that sit for probably like 5 to 10 minutes, I believe. And now I'm gonna go ahead and part off my hair. At first I wasn't really too sure what I wanted to do, but this wig actually has like layers. I don't know if you guys could tell, so I really wanted to show that off, so I just decided to keep it down and just go in with a middle part. I did pluck the part just a little bit, only because it was just a little bit too tight for me, and then I went back in with my wax stick and hot comb per usual, and then I pretty much just styled the hair regularly. I just used water, and my mousse is called Mousse Def from Ledoux. I will have all the information listed in the description box down below, but yeah, I'm gonna just let you guys watch and I'm gonna come back at the end. Alrighty, you guys, so that'll be the end of the tutorial. I want to thank Amanda Hair for sponsoring this video. The hair is super pretty, super curly, super flowy. I'll have all the information listed in the description box down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.